In this video, I'll show you how to set up Wix email marketing. Start by signing into your Wix account and open your website dashboard. Next, click Marketing and SEO in the left sidebar, then select Email Marketing. After that, click Create Email Campaign to start a new campaign. Now choose a pre-designed template or start with a blank email. Next, customize your email by editing the subject line, sender name, text, images, buttons, and other content using the drag and drop editor. After that, click Next to choose your recipients. You can select existing contacts, customer lists, or create a new audience segment. Now review your email settings and make sure the sender information and reply to email address are correct. Next, use the preview option to check how your email will appear on desktop and mobile devices. After that, send yourself a test email to make sure everything looks the way you want. Now choose whether to send the campaign immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. Finally, click Send or Schedule to launch your email marketing campaign, then monitor its performance from the email marketing dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Wix email marketing. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.